Hi guys, Alan from Newlands Nursery, another video of our Gardening Explained, Your Questions Asked little mini series. And this one I've got no plants for, and it's about shade or semi-shade or dappled shade. So different light conditions. We often get asked, what is semi-shade? Well, the reality is it's hard to actually really quantify. But semi-shade, generally speaking, is when the area they're going to put the plant is get less than half of the day of sunlight. Simple as that. Dappled shade means that you're getting shade almost all through the day, if not all through the day, but it's not complete shade. It's not black, it's not really, really dark, it's just dappled shade. So in that scenario, think of a woodland where the sun is getting through, but it's dappled shade and not full shade. And then full sun really does speak for itself. It's just literally full sun, get sun all day long, and full shade, again, speaks for itself. It's shade all the time. But the one that catches people out is semi-shade or partial shade sometimes, that's how it's written. So it's around about 50% of the day is not getting full sun. So just bear that in mind. Got any questions at all? Get in contact, we're here to help. See you soon.